Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Parag Jambulkar. In this video, we will discuss about differences between TCP and UDP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, while UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. First, we will see similarities between these protocols. So, both are the transport layer protocol. In last video, we have discussed about what is socket, what is port number, different categories of port number, and also we have seen different types of sockets. We have also discussed about connection less services and connection oriented services. Now TCP is a connection oriented protocol while UDP is a connection less protocol. What do we mean by connection oriented protocol and connection less protocol? So in TCP we have to establish connection first and then there is a communication between the client and server, while in UDP there is no connection is established between client and server or sender and receiver. In last video we have seen these are the functions that has to be executed on socket. So this is for connection oriented services and this is for connection less services. Here you can see on server, listen method is called or listen function is called, which takes server to the listening mode, which listen for the request or which waits server keep on waiting for request from the client. After that, client call connect method connect function, which send requests to the server for connection. Then server accept it. So this is called as three-way handshake, and by that connection is established between server and client, or you can say sender and receiver. While in connection less services there is no three-way handshake, so there is no listen, there is no accept, there is no connect. So here you can see socket bind, but there is no listen, accept, and for client side there is no connect method. So major difference between TCP and UDP is TCP is a connection oriented protocol, that is connection is established between client and server or sender and receiver, while UDP is connection less protocol, that is there is no connection established between client and server or sender and receiver. In TCP, sender can request acknowledgement from the receiver so that sender will come to know that message has reached to receiver or not. If that message had not received by receiver, so sender can retransmit it. Why such thing is not there, there is no acknowledgement in UDP. As sender can get the acknowledgement, so sender can assure that message has been sent to the receiver, it is reliable. While there is no acknowledgement, that's why UDP is unreliable. But this is the advantage of TCP and this is the disadvantage of UDP. On the other hand, TCP is slow. Why it is slow? Because there is a connection has to be established between the client and server first thing, and there are the acknowledgements. That's why it is slower. On the other hand, UDP is faster as there is no connection is established and there are no acknowledgements. So that is the advantage of having UDP. As more data has to be sent in TCP because of the acknowledgements and other thing, header size is more and that is of 20 bytes, while in UDP header size is less, that is 8 bytes. Now one question is there, why we require two protocols at transport layer? Why we can't have one protocol only? Because there are some advantages of TCP while there are some limitations of TCP. Same here, there are some advantages and there are some limitations. What is the advantage of having TCP? It is a reliable one, while UDP is not reliable. What is the limitation of having TCP? It is a slower, while UDP is a faster. So these are the differences between TCP and UDP. One thing more, who decides which protocol will be used by your application? So whoever is developing your application, he is deciding which protocol will be used at transport layer. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notifications of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.